Miss Leena Jory, Joint Secretary, Department of Rural Development, is she is the IAS of 1994 batch, stood all India second and topper among women candidates. She did her schooling from Christ Church College, Lucknow, where she topped in class in 12th, securing highest percentages in science and humanities stream. She did graduation from Awadh Girls Degree College and MA in Composite History, securing highest percentage from Lucknow University.
Thank you, Prerna. I think it has been an interesting evening, and I would like to congratulate Prerna for this wonderful evening and bringing all of us together. I just want to say just few words. At the moment, I am working in the Ministry of Rural Development, and I am looking after a program which deals with women, which is called National Rural Livelihood Mission, DAY-NRLM, and it deals with women and it addresses the women issues at the rural level. So the issues which were coming, I think it has to be taken in a holistic manner, which we try to address through our program in the rural area. There are 6 crore women who are involved in this huge program. They come together through self-help groups, and together they bring the synergy by getting the entitlements which are due to them. Firstly, coming together, having finance within their with their name, accounts in their name, and livelihoods which takes them towards the economic path of livelihood, both through the farm sector and the non-farm sector. So whatever we have been hearing, it cannot be a one go that we can reduce this gender gap. It has to be an incremental and a slow process, and it has to be something which has to be acceptable and accepted by the society. Only then it will become real. It cannot be transformative, because these are the things which are happening in the patriarchal society. We heard stories, personal stories of our speakers, of people who have been, women who have gathered today. And I think we have been lucky to have a privilege I mean to say, socially, socially it is privilege, but I think it was the mental richness which we had as our childhood, our upbringing. As a result, we see ourselves here. So 3 cheers to all the women and all the men, because I have my husband who's sitting right across. And if we don't have the support of both the, be it your parents or your husbands or your newer family which you go into, then it is very difficult to achieve whatever heights we think. I think your initiative of the Bahu, it was very interesting to me, because we are trying to do something similar of entrepreneurship at the rural level. And it cannot be an antagonistic stance which we have to take. We have to approach it rationally and in a very cool manner. You said that when we deal with social situations or office situations, it has to be equal, like you have women staff, you have men staff. I would I would slightly differ on your take, because we also have both the staff, and in an administrative situation, we have to take into account that these women staff who are there all are not at the managerial level. They have some extra responsibilities which they have to render when they go back home. So if we stagger and when we work together, I think men folk also try to understand, and they become more receptive to the requirements, and they are ready to chip in for them also. Okay, they say, okay, ma'am, you don't call her because she has her responsibility. We can come earlier or we can work later, and let her fulfill her obligations. So we have to see that responsibility which we are appointing or assigning a person. nothing should detract them or make them feel little, that because of their limitations they have been put down. Okay, you are not supposed to come late or whatever be. So one has to see, when we are giving directions or assuming responsibilities, you have to see in what ecosystem you are working. And today in the morning only we had a very beautiful program in which Doordarshan DD Kisan covered. There were 40 women from across India who were in the studio, and there were 7 studios across the country who connected with Honorable Minister of Rural Development and Agriculture. And he connected with these women who have been working as bank sakhis. They are delivering grassroots level banking services to the old feeble people who cannot access their little pensions, and Kisan Sakhis, the Pashu Sakhis who are doing the cutting edge veterinary services. So there are women in all phases. I think what we need, apart from celebrating, support each other and see the context in which that individual is placed. And I think the change has to start from ourselves only. We have to be the change what we want to see in rest of the society. So thank you once again, Prerna. It was in, we will definitely. Thank you.